guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my pumpkin spice makeup tutorial. I do this look every year, well, a different look, but a pumpkin spice look every year. I have my new mug here. I got this on Amazon. How cute is it? I thought it was so perfect to drink while I'm doing this look. It's a very typical fall day today. It's very gloomy, windy, chilly. I'm into it. So I'm gonna go run, get my hair done. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe and let's jump right into it. All right, let's get started. So I already did my brows just because I don't know why. I just like starting with my brows already done. I feel like I don't like recording them. I don't know, and I've done it so much recently. So I think you know my routine. I just use the Arches and Halos brow pencil and just brush them through my brows, obviously, and then I set it with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. So I'm going to be priming today with the Hourglass Veil Primer. I'm actually going to get my hair done as soon as I'm done filming. I go every 6 weeks, in case you're wondering. I was going every 8 weeks, and then I switched it to 7 and then to 6, and she doesn't recommend I come any sooner than 6 just to keep my hair healthy. But as soon as I get any kind of root, I like freak out and I want like blonde everywhere. And actually last night I had a nightmare that I went rich chocolate brown and I had in hair extensions that were like all the way down to like my belly button. It was the weirdest dream and I loved it. But then at the end, I realized, oh my gosh, I want to be blonde when I get married. In my dream, I went to Amanda Clemmer, the girl who does my hair, told her I want highlights, and she said, oh no, you can't go back blonde. That is a nightmare to me. What foundation do I want to use today? I'm going to use the Anastasia Luminous foundation. I was going to use Pat McGrath, but I think I want a little bit more of a full coverage today. And I'm going to pick this up on my IT number 7 brush. By the way, I just got these earrings from Miranda Fry. You guys know I'm obsessed with Miranda Fry. I think I want to go put on the ear cuff that I got too. I think that'd be really cute. I only have these 2 piercings in my ear, but I love the idea of like a full blinged out ear. I don't want to get the actual piercings to like fully deck out my ear just because I know it's a trend right now, and then I know it's going to be painful. Not so much getting the piercing, but the healing process. So I don't want to commit to that, so they have this ear cuff that I think I'm going to put on. But look how cute these are. I love little studs like this, and this looks like it's a full hoop, but it's actually, it stops. So it's super cute. I do have a discount code with them. It's just, I think Brianna Fox for 10% off. This isn't like sponsored or anything. I just get a lot of jewelry questions, and I thought I would share because these are so cute. They just sent them over and I love them. Oh, I need to shave my mustache. Also, I want to touch on something really quick. So I've been loving doing all of these fall videos. They just bring me life. I'm like dead all year until it's fall, and then I'm just so creative around this time of year. I don't know why. But I've gotten a few comments about me putting out a lot of sponsored content. So I wanted to touch on that because just so you guys know, like, and I think the majority of you know because it's only been a few comments, but still I want everyone to like understand I don't take probably 98% of the offers I get in my email, and most of the time the offers come randomly. So it's not like I can guarantee that I'm gonna have, you know, X amount of sponsorships in a month. So when a brand approaches me and it's a brand that I click with, and if I try the product and I love it, or it's a brand where I can use a bunch of stuff from their company that I already know that I love and use, like, I'm on it because it's a perfect fit, it's a perfect match. So I'm never gonna not take something that matches with me, you know? And I think the majority of you understand that. The majority of the sponsorships I take are using products that like I already use in all my videos. If it's something new, then I end up trying it out. If I love it, I'll do the video. So since a lot of times they like control the schedule of things, and because it's so like unpredictable of when I'm going to get one, sometimes there's a lot at once and then it's crickets. So I do have one more coming up, but I don't have any planned like further than that. But I just wanted to let you know, just because sometimes it seems like there's a lot at once and sometimes there isn't any at all. So it can seem very like sponsor packed, which I don't like to do. I like to spread them out, but sometimes there's only so much I can do. but I'm not gonna not take something that isn't a good fit for me. I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna go into the Revlon Candid Concealer. I'm in the shade Bisque, and I'm gonna use the Sigma F03 brush to blend in the concealer. This has been my favorite brush recently. I feel like it just fits in there, and because it's so long, it just like blends it out for me. I was gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter and contour, but I feel like I've been using that a lot lately, so I'm just gonna skip that and just go straight into powders. I'm going to grab, where are you? My By Terry hyaluronic tinted powder. Oh yeah. And then the fluffy side is at the rest of the face. And the neck, of course. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Milani Silky Matte Sunkissed Bronzer number 2. I still wanna order the darker shade of this just because I like more red toned bronzers, and I think the darker one is a little bit redder than this. I don't know. This is still a beautiful color. Apply this. Oh, you hear the dog? I actually really like this color. More than I did the last time. I don't know why that is. I'm gonna hop over into my NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette, my new favorite highlight and contour palette. It is just glorious, the perfect shades. So cute. I'm gonna use the Smith 112 brush and just pick up the contour shade and hit it right here very lightly. Okay, for highlighter, this is all dirty on the outside, but this is the Champagne Pop highlighter from Becca. I think this is really gonna look nicely with the look because it's more of like a warmer kind of a color. I'm gonna use the Sigma F35. Just hit the cheekbone and carry it into the brow. And then get the Cupid's bow. While we're here using this, I'm also gonna highlight the inner corner. For blush, I'm gonna go into the Gen Nude blush from Bare Minerals. This is in the shade That Peach though. I wanted to use Honey Thief from Melt. I couldn't find it. It's probably here on this table somewhere, and this is a disaster right now. But this I haven't used in forever, so I'm glad that I'm using this, and it's a little pumpkin-y. So I'm using the 168 brush from MAC. Apply this to the cheeks. And then I also bring it up on the forehead. Chin, nose, neck. I don't know. I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. I feel like I'm gonna run out of this soon. I'm gonna go replenish it. This is definitely my favorite setting spray. I'm usually not like super into setting sprays, but I do feel like this one actually does something. I think a lot of it has to do with the mist on it. It's like an aerosol kind of a mist, so I really think that makes a big difference. So I just primed my eyes with the Painterly Paint Pot and then set it with powder. I have 3 palettes here that I've been wanting to use. This one is the ColourPop California Love palette. I got this at Ulta. I know ColourPop comes out with like a ton of products all the time. I'm just someone that hasn't like jumped on that bandwagon. I'm not on their PR list, so I'm not overwhelmed with all of their launches. So when I saw this in store, I was like, that's cute. So I have this that I think I want to play with. I think would be beautiful for a pumpkin spice look. So let's get started. I'm first gonna grab Laguna on a Smith 232 and bring it into the crease. I'm gonna go into Gold Rush, this shade right up here. Focus this here in the outer corner. Okay, right now I'm going into this shade, which is Highway 1, right here. Pretzel was barking, so I just figured I'd just go for it. I'm using an Anastasia 18 brush. Oh no, A14, my bad. Okay, I think I need to start bringing this in a different direction just because it's looking a lot like my warm fall look. So I'm gonna grab Surf Rider, this shade right here. I'm gonna put that on the lid. I feel like I don't do a lot of shimmer. I do prefer matte, so I'm just having fun with this. I'm gonna grab a little bit of my Anastasia glitter adhesive, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and dot this right on just the center of the eye. And then I'm gonna go into the L Captain shade and pop that on top, just for a little glitter. Oh yes, bitch. Executive decision, we're gonna bring that shit everywhere. gonna bring a little bit in it. I'm gonna bring a little bit of this into the crease just so it looks like a poof. Gonna bring it up. A little glitter explosion. I kind of want to do a chocolate wing. Do I have a chocolate brown eyeliner? I don't know. Okay, I don't have brown gel liner. So we're gonna do probably no liner, but I am gonna go in with Torch from Makeup Forever. This is gonna go on my bottom waterline. I feel like that just took this to a different level and I'm loving it. Holy shit, that was a lot brighter than I thought, but I am super into it. That's pretty. I'm gonna grab my Loreal Lash Paradise mascara. Okay, I just applied these lashes. I don't even know what they are. If I can figure it out, I will put the name of them down below in the description box. Okay, I just got black all over the lower lash line. Dang it. I was on the hunt for like warmer toned lip colors just because a lot of the time I go for more cool toned. Apparently, I didn't even realize that I went for more cool toned lip colors, but compared to the warm ones that are out there, everything that I have is pretty cool toned. So I bought a few from Dose of Colors because I'm not a huge liquid lipstick fan, but there's few that I love. So Dose of Colors is one of my favorites. The new Sigma ones are one of my favorites. Those are ones that feel very moisturizing, but they're still matte on your lips. I'm gonna do Old Flame. That looks very pumpkin-y. First, gonna line actually. I'm gonna grab Saffron from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna go with the liquid lipstick. All right, this is the final look up close. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's just really fun. It screams fall, it screams pumpkin spice lattes. It's very Thanksgiving-y too. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you, Pretzel, come here! I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm just gonna talk through her barking because I gotta go. Quickly want to share my outfit details just because I'm digging it right now. All of the jewelry is from Miranda Fry. I will link it down below along with my discount code. This bodysuit, this is just like a white little tank bodysuit type thing. It's from Windsor. I don't know if they still have it, but I'll try to find it, if not something similar. And then this sweater cardigan deal is from Walmart. I was in there shopping for makeup and I went through the clothes section and they had a lot of really cute stuff. They had a lot of cute stuff in the men's section too. I wanted to get this black jean jacket. I haven't gotten it, but I keep thinking about it, so I should probably go get it. And then I also got some boots. So I really want to do a fall outfits video showing stuff that I've been wearing all fall so far, and then new stuff that I plan on wearing the rest of the fall and winter season. So let me know if you want to see that. I really want to do more fashion videos, so let me know. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Let me know down below what you want to see next, and I will see you very soon. Bye.